Peace and prosperity be unto all who's listening and watching. It's your girl Shaeranea, right? And I'm back with another video. And today we're going to talk about the small problems that most YouTubers have, or the difficulty of being a small YouTuber. The biggest difficulties is finding people who are very interested in what you have to offer. People who are active, people who genuinely watch your videos, people who are sincere, that subscribe and really enjoy what you have going on. That is the biggest thing. Then you have all these other things, creating thumbnails, making sure your title, you're searchable as far as tags, titles. It's really just trying to get to understand YouTube. But in the process, a lot of you small YouTubers start out not really sure of what their first video should be. The first video of any YouTube channel should be a Q&A or a about me, so people can get an understanding of who you are. It is a big struggle growing on YouTube because sometimes you lose subscribers, you lose views, you lose watch time. While things are going up at one point, sometimes things drop down. And it can be very discouraging seeing that you're working really hard, you're promoting on all your platforms, you're doing all it says to do, and still no results, right? You're making the hardest effort to get what you want, yet you still see no results. The biggest thing I could say for YouTubers, small YouTubers at that, is this: the underlying problem is nobody wants to expand. And nobody wants to really support each other, but everybody wants support. Honestly, the biggest thing on YouTube is keeping people on. And you want to get people's attention, so you have to find some way to do that. So it can be your title, which is important. It can be your thumbnail. That's important as well, because your titles and your thumbnails and your tags, all three things of these things are very important, because these things put you in suggested videos. They put you in the algorithm, but they also help you get more views, get more people, sending more traffic to your page. People are interested based on your thumbnail, so that's the impression rate in your analytics. So how many people click on your video based on your thumbnail? And then there's other stuff that people go by. Sometimes they're interested, sometimes they stay for a long time, and sometimes they don't. Sometimes they're not really interested in what you have to offer, so they move on. It's okay. It's a part of life. Not everybody is going to be influenced by you. Not everybody's going to like what you say. And even if they believe in you, they may not like it coming from you. So, honestly, the best thing as a YouTuber is to stay encouraged. Study the thing that you're into and find better ways to grow. YouTube can be very discouraging at times. You don't know. It's a hit or miss with YouTube. You have a really good video or you have a really bad video. And sometimes the views are up and sometimes the views are down. And you want people to engage with you. You want your community to feel it's okay to engage. You want to grow a community that loves what you offer and what you do. And that's the biggest thing about YouTube, is growing a following that is genuine. I'm not talking about like IG. People get on there, they look at each other and they look at how glorious, the glorious part of life, the fakest part of life. Okay, people get on there to be fake, to, post their best picture, living the best part of their life, but they don't show the worst parts. So that's why IG is kind of fake. TikTok is just, It's somewhat like this, but it's different. You know, you post whatever. It's like this, but it's not like this. You know, people post whatever on there, and it's all for comedy or motivation or trends. It's very trended app. On here, you want to make sure that you keep people on here for the longest of time. What makes people stay and watch your videos? Well, it depends on your personality and who you are, and if you're an interesting person and what you offer is something of interest to them. So it's just really talking about things that can help people. And if you're spending your life helping others, naturally people are going to draw to you because you're helping them, right? Right, of course. So honestly, don't be discouraged about, you know, your views, your subscribers. And I know we're all trying to hit goals. We're trying to hit our goals. We're trying to get there. We're trying to be monetized. We're trying to become, you know, be happy doing what you love on a platform that allows you to be you. Because it's not a lot of platforms that allow you to, you know, create content, whatever content you want to make. There's guidelines. There is some sort of, you know, 3 strikes on YouTube. You know, I've never hit any of those. But there is a guideline on YouTube that you must follow. But anyways, you want to stay within the guideline of YouTube, but you can't find too many platforms that allow you to be yourself and be paid for it. Now, it does come with requirements, and, you know, it comes with real work. You know, it comes with you creating the content, it comes with you doing the research, it comes with you doing the actions that's going to require you to put forth an effort to make those things that you desire happen. All things don't happen overnight, but it does come in a length of time. And if you stay encouraged and get through it, the process of this, I promise you, your channel will grow, as mine will too. All small YouTubers should remain encouraged because you're just starting. You should have a list of ideas, a list of video ideas of things that you and videos that you want to make. You should keep yourself on a schedule, be consistent. Do endless things. Figure out what it is that you want to offer to people, your way of helping people, your purpose, whatever the case may be. Align it around your channel, give it to the people, and let people decide whether they want to follow you and be a part of your amazing community. Now, the struggle with that is you never know who's sincere, because a lot of people follow you and don't really watch your content. You can have a lot of subscribers, but maybe 50% of those subscribers actually watch your content. Now, the thing about that is because people are interested in different things. It's no different from how people love. It's no different from how people spend their money. It's no different for how people are motivated. Everybody is interested and driven to something entirely different. Like, you may like basketball and I might like football. We have totally 2 different interests, but that doesn't mean that we can't find alignment. But in the same sense, but because we have 2 different interests, that makes us less interested in each other. The only way for someone else to be interested in what you have to offer is if they have an interest in you. Okay, because you are what draws interest to yourself. Like, they may not be interested in the same things. They might not care about half the stuff you talk about. But because it came from you, and they're invested in you, and they like the way you teach, the way you you teach it, the way you offer it, the way you talk about it, the passion that comes from it, or the laughter and the energy, the vibes. They may love all that. They may come to you for revivement or peace. They may have a long day, and they know that they can always count on your page or your channel for encouragement or education or information or laughter or whatever it is that you offer. And this is to say not to be discouraged, because honestly, it is hard being a YouTuber, but there's solutions for every problem, even as a small YouTuber. And if you're willing to take the time to make an effort. I'm going to make more videos on how to be more successful on YouTube. But as of now, I'm still growing my community, and I'm still growing as a small YouTuber myself. My channel is not where I want it to be, and I have goals of what I want and see my channel to be. So just focus on you, making sure that you're enjoying what you're doing, that people see you enjoy it. And then the people that are supposed to align with you will be attracted and interested and invested in what you have to say. So never be discouraged, always stay encouraged, and make sure that you continue to be consistent with making your content on whatever consistent basis you consider making it. I make a video every day, and my commitment to myself is to make a video for every day for the rest of this year. That is a tough commitment, because there was a month, which is last month, I probably skipped 3 days without making a video, but I've been all year long making a video. So I probably missed 3 days in this year being inconsistent with videos, but I've been consistent all year, and I made one video every single day or two. So the best thing about it is just staying encouraged and keeping a gratitude attitude and a going forward mindset, because as you grow on YouTube, you get to see your progress. When I first started YouTube, I had like 18 subscribers, and then as I went up, it went to like 85, and then it kept growing. It went to like 100, 200, and it just kept growing. So I keep improving my page, I keep improving my thumbnails, I keep changing my ideas and how I go about them. It's all about how you want to help people, and how you see when you're selling people something. So you got to think about it. Like, I'm an author, and I have to think as a consumer as well as a producer. So what makes what I have to offer interesting? How do I keep people on my platform? How can I just, people fall in love with me, I want people to love me for me, because I'm not going to be anything else other than me on this channel. I'm very honest. This is a very educating and inspirational channel. So where we inspire to be better than who we were. And we come here to be educated by experiences and learn from them all. So just make sure that you're being consistent, and that you're not allowing your doubts, your fears, your not sureness to keep you from making your first video. Your first video should be about you. And if you're camera shy, you should learn how to become uncamera shy. It's just learning how to grow within yourself as a person, because YouTube, it pushes you to grow, okay? It pushes you to grow and do things that you would not normally do. And you may be like, I don't want to do that. That's just not me. Well, honestly, to get people's attention, sometimes you have to do what is necessary, but do it in a way that you are comfortable doing it, okay? Do it in a way that aligns with who you are as a person. I'm not saying change who you are to do something else outside of you. I'm saying align something that you may not like and learn to love it by making it a lot like yourself. So align it with you. Make this have a lot of you. I'm Mayola. I'm Lachey Mayola, right? I will make it have a lot of Lachey Mayola in whatever I'm doing. It's going to have a lot of me in it. And it won't change. Like my personality, all of me. What makes you different? What makes your page worthy of looking at? What makes your videos worthy of staying to watch? But anyways, guys, peace, love, and happiness. I hope you guys have a prosperous day. If you like this content, why don't you comment, subscribe, and share this video, and engage with me in the comments, because I really like feedback. And also, guys, if you want to know anything about me, it'll be in the description box below. I love you all.